The best natural recipes for prostate. While natural remedies cannot cure prostate problems, they may provide some relief and support overall prostate health. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan if you suspect any prostate issues. However, some natural recipes and foods are believed to be beneficial for prostate health. Here are a few. Tomato-based foods. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that may benefit prostate health. Cooking tomatoes helps release more lycopene, so consider enjoying tomato-based foods like cooked tomato sauce, tomato soup, or salsa. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain compounds like sulforaphane, which may have protective effects on the prostate. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, which is essential for prostate function. They also contain phytosterols, which might help with urinary symptoms related to an enlarged prostate. Green tea. Green tea contains polyphenols that have antioxidant properties, and some studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea may be associated with a reduced risk of prostate issues. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a herbal supplement that some men use to alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate gland. However, its effectiveness is still debated, so consult a doctor before using it. Fish high in omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may support prostate health. Watermelon. Watermelon contains a compound called citrulline, which is believed to have a positive effect on blood flow, including in the prostate area. Selenium-rich foods. Foods rich in selenium, such as Brazil nuts, may play a role in prostate health. However, it's important not to consume excessive amounts of selenium, as high levels can be harmful. Remember that a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is generally beneficial for overall health, including prostate health. Additionally, staying physically active, managing stress, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can contribute to better prostate health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or taking any supplements, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications.